always go through a startup procedure, which basically, okay, first of all, afterburner 6 is not on. Okay, we'll just run without that afterburner. We should be fine. All right. Start the thrasher. Next step, full throttle. Just like that. 23,000 RPM. Cylinder speed, 710, fan, 850. Concaves look good. I don't hear any banging around, metal scraping against other metal, stuff snapping or popping back there. I think we're good to go. Turn the header on. You hear that banging around? We're gonna run with it and then we'll just hopefully get material going through it and it'll just quiet down. Parking brake off. Okay, I think we got a little bit of a problem here. Let's have a look. So something was definitely rattling around in here. So usually there's a chain that runs along right here, right? But no chain up there, nothing on there. Go down here. Okay, so we're gonna have to bring up some chain and get this fixed, because if you didn't know, you can't run the combine with that chain not on. Hey, well, at least we got what, 1, 2, 3 passes. Made it 3 passes without a breakdown. It's a new record. Okay, I think we got a lot bigger problem than just the chain breaking. So that bearing might be out. Yeah, you probably can't see in there, but we got some weird metal stuff going on in there. So we're gonna take this thing back down to the shop and work on it down there. So I got the slip clutch off right here, and I mean, you can turn this, you know, fairly easy, and I don't hear like metal on metal or anything bad in there. But if you put the flashlight in here, I don't know, you probably won't be able to see, but there is some, I don't know if it's an outer race or what that is in there, but it doesn't really look right. Everything is spinning right now just fine. And I think we're just gonna run it as is right now. Now, if we were cutting like barley or wheat or something that was super dry, probably be a lot more concerned about it. We'd probably end up replacing it right now. But since we're running, you know, straight up green material through this thing, I'm not worried about bearing failure causing a fire at all. So at least we got that going for us, right? I dropped the nut. Sorry if you can't hear me. We have the dryer running right now. That last field of buckwheat we cut was like 22% moisture, so we got it going through the dryer right now, getting it dried down. All right, there we go. Got the new chain put on and tightened, and new board put on right here, because the old one, bolt was actually sticking like up into the chain, so maybe that's why it broke off. Who knows? We're gonna leave this guard off right here so that we can monitor that more easy throughout the field. I think we're ready to go. Now that we're all the way back out in the field, let's fire it up and make sure everything's running. looks good. Here, have a look. You'll be able to tell easy. Okay, well, let's get back to it. Hey, check it out. Here's a sound I never heard before. Why was the auger not turning? Let me guess. Oh yeah, I knew it. Okay, first of all, why is this chain so dry? Look at this. That sprocket definitely needs to get changed at some point too. Okay, so this chain is absolute garbage. And yeah, we're not gonna spin that right now because we got a little plug up right here. Okay, well, I thought I just lubed this chain, but evidently not. Oh my gosh, literally everything is starting to fall apart. Okay, we got this chain all completely not even right. Now this one is a little bit different. I don't understand what's up with this one. Oh yeah. Yeah, she'll ride like that. I don't understand why it jumps off all the time. Man, we definitely have not gotten a whole lot done today. I guess today was just a day for all the chains to break on us. Feeder house chain, auger chain, and a pickup belt header chain. Look at this. What is that? What even is that? Come on, man. Alright guys, well welcome back to hopefully the last day of buckwheat harvest. Before we can get started today, we got a couple things we got to do. Number one, you remember we literally just saw it. Plugged this thing up last night. I broke the chain on the other side, and the chain on this pickup header right there is also off. So we got a lot of chain work to do today for some reason. end is in sight. We just got this one last windrow right here, about 50 yards, and then we are totally and completely done with buckwheat harvest. Not gonna lie, that's really nice to have buckwheat harvest done. We will go empty this into the truck and take everything back down to the shop. That's it. Hey, yokes. Oh yeah, good boy. We're done. We're done. We're gonna go home, all right? Good boy. Yeah. Got a lot of mites this harvest. It's a good job.